trust me to always come correct with simple pasta recipes for my dearies. Now for this recipe, you want to go with butter, onion, garlic and ginger. Put in your minced meat, season and then stir fry till it's properly cooked. Into another pan, you want to go in with some oil, add some onion, garlic and ginger. I use Italian seasoning, but that's optional. You want to stir fry this and then go in with your tomato mix. Fry this, season and then add back your minced meat. Okay, cover and allow this to cook very well for about 10 minutes before going in with your al dente pasta. Stir fry this. Okay, let them marry themselves very well and add your vegetables. Incorporate vegetables at any given chance. Okay, I served mine with some smoked turkey and you guys, this was amazing. You see, easy pasta recipes, count me in. I went in with some onions, some tomatoes, different colors of peppers and thyme. I blended all this, cut my wings into smaller parts and then into your pot add some oil, some garlic, fry this till fragrance, add your pepper mix, add your chicken, some seasoning, stir and allow this to properly cook. Now into another pan, you want to cook your pasta. I don't know who said we cannot eat two types of pasta at the same time, no, but me, I eat it. Add some Italian seasoning, stir and cover to cook for about 2 minutes and then go in with your pasta. Add some spinach because why not? You guys, this tasted so good. You just want to stir all this and serve. It was too good. Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. If you have never cooked your pasta in your meat broth, then you are missing. Cooking your pasta in your meat broth makes it absorb that rich and savory flavor, making each bite more delicious and deeply infused with the taste of the broth even before the sauce is added. It's a simple way to elevate your dish without giving extra ingredients. Now I went in with some butter. I cooked my protein. I used some beef and gizzard. I roughly blended my bell peppers in my food processor. Make sure that it was well dried before going in with my seasoning. When that was fully combined, I added back my proteins, went in with that rich savory pasta, went in with lettuce, and you guys, this was so good. This was finger licking good. You really want to try this one. By the time I was done, the whole house was smelling good and there was nothing remaining in the pot. Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comments.